Hi, and welcome to our 29th test and measurement video. For today's demonstration, we'll do an overview of the amazing Oscium Oscilloscope. Like others in its class, it is designed to connect to a user-owned computer. There are two Oscium models, the older IMSO204, which is the 30-pin version, and the newer IMSO204L, which has the lightning connector. Both models work the same except for the connectors, which are intended for different Apple products. So before ordering the Oscium Oscilloscope, you have to verify which Apple product you will be connecting to. The IMSO204 with the 30-pin connector is compatible with the iPod Touch 4th generation, iPhone 4S, iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS, IPS 3rd generation, iPad 2, and the iPad. The IMSO204L with the lightning connector is compatible with the iPod Touch 5th generation, iPhone 5S, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5, iPad 4th generation, and the iPad Mini. Notice that the Oscium works with Apple products only, not PCs. Also, it is not compatible with a laptop or desktop Apple product. Since I have a new iPad, I made sure to obtain the Oscium IMSO204L with the lightning connector. Before using the Oscium Oscilloscope, it is necessary to obtain the correct software, available free from the Apple App Store. Download the IMSO2 application. The same software works with both the 30-pin and lightning connector models. Once the software is installed, the appropriate icon will appear on screen and you can open the application. If the Oscium hardware is not connected to your device, a demo version of the oscilloscope will appear on the screen. An alert box comes up with 3 choices. If you want to sample the great functionality of this instrument in the demo mode, touch Tooltips. In the ensuing window, touch Menu. Some waveforms from a previous session may be displayed even though the device had been shut down in the interim. Notice that in channel A, a square wave is displayed, as in channel B. To display other waveforms, tap on Demo. A box appears that permits you to change waveform parameters. Let's put sine wave in both channels. Notice that to get rid of a box, you can simply tap outside of it. We'll leave the amplitude at 3 volts in both channels and keep frequencies the same, but we'll change the phase relationship to 180 degrees. Now tap outside the box to see the display. Notice that the 2 waveforms are 180 degrees out of phase. The red trace is math. If you tap analog, another box comes up. In the lower third are the math parameters. Set the math operation for A plus B. Notice that the resultant, shown in red, is now a flat line at 0. If we go back to demo and change the phase angle to 90 degrees, then tap Outside the box, the red math resultant changes accordingly. Even if you have not purchased the Oscium Oscilloscope, you can download the free software and try out the device in the demo mode. But of course, there is no way to display signals from outside until you attach the hardware, which is what we will do in the next video. Thanks for watching. New videos are added periodically, so check back frequently.